My main goal is to revive this hair. Honestly speaking, is to revive it, and I must succeed by the special grace of God. Though some people will say that, oh man, that your hair is still full and all those stuff, but no, I have a lot of split end and I must correct it and trim those out. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome, and please subscription is free. Subscribe and do not forget to turn on your post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, let's dive into the main business of the day. This is hair mask that I'll be using on my hair after washing it. So what I'll be using for this is fenugreek seed, as always, flax seed, pumpkin seed, and rice. So these are the major ingredients that I'll be using. What you're seeing in this sieve is a residue that I got from my hair growth oil that I made. So I'll be using it because it contains a lot of oil and I don't want it to go to waste. So I steamed the rice and fenugreek seed for about 2 minutes thereabout. I don't want it to cook properly, so that is how I did it. Then blend it. I blend the whole thing, both the residue and the rice. Now before you start asking what is that on your cheesecloth, what you're seeing there is leftover residues that I got from the hair growth oil. So some of the residues that are still in the cheesecloth. So in order to get some of the oil, if you look closer, you see some of the oil that is dropping out from the paste that I'm extracting. So I don't want it to go to waste, so I decided to use it like that. So that is what happened. What I add here is castor oil and glass herring, and also essential oil to give it a nice aroma. So that is how I prepared my hair mask. I have already washed my hair. Now it's time to feed the hair with what it needs. This is my first time of adding pumpkin seed to my hair mask. I researched about it and what I found was interesting. Pumpkin seed reduces hair thinning, and most importantly, what made me to use it is this particular thing, that it blocks hormones that leads to hair loss and provide essential nutrients like zinc, omega fatty acid, and other interesting benefits. I will drop the benefit in my description box, and also you'll be seeing it in my screen here. You see this hair mask, I will keep recreating it every time that I want to wash my hair. In fact, it will be part of my hair routine. The reason is I love the way my hair turned out at the end of the day. Though my hair went through a lot of treatment. I mean, the oils, it has been long that I did oil treatment on my hair. I do skip it. So I did a lot of treatment on my hair before applying it, but at the end of the day, I love the way my hair turns out. So I'll be adding it to my hair routine. You'll be seeing it often. You see this pumpkin seed. Honestly, I'll be using it. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I beg, support your girl. Subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll allow you all to watch the rest of the video. God bless you all.